you want to decorate, place ornaments and items up, and like so, it is a snake 3D printed in multicolors, flexible. You could place anywhere imaginable, and what we're going to do is show you what this product is about. From the company called Maxdecoer, articulate 3D printed in color of blue and purple, a snake. It measures 4 feet. As we pull it out of the box, show you how nicely it's packaged and wrapped. Grab it, pose it, put it on the desk. Measures 4 feet from head to tail. Wrap it around your hand. Put it anywhere imaginable. Stick it outside to show you the colors and how nicely it moves. It has eyes of orange, close up. Every single piece fits together. It can be a little sharp at times. You're a snake. Place it in the garden. Put it by the TV and design it the way you want. Your articulate snake. Jointed ornament display. And it is on display here. We're going to pull it off carefully to show you what it's about. You can place it anywhere imaginable. It's 3D printed with an open jaw that you simply grab and open up. It's got the fangs on top, designed. They're inside and they do come out, the fangs. Look at that design. It is colorful, shaped in every way imaginable. So if you're looking for a product, kids of all ages, adults, this may be something that you are after. Thank you for viewing.